Alright, welcome to today's video. That's me and my youngest son, and that's my other son. And we are riding a lawnmower in the park near our house, a little retention basin. And you gotta teach a kid how to drive when he's super young so he doesn't drive your cars and break everything. Heating up the lawnmower to use it instead of my back. And I figured why not let the youngest kid drive this around. So this is my car here again. I pushed it out of the backyard. That was a lot of work, hence why I fired up the lawnmower. This is my little cameraman. You're not going to like it, but he likes videoing. So I got this guy here, one of my other sons. He's riding the lawnmower. Look at me hooking it up like a professional tow truck. Search and rescue, lawnmower, explaining how to drive. You go that way and, well, come here. I'll show you. You're going to drive too. Boring, boring, boring. And my kid likes the lawnmower more than he likes my car. So he's videoing that beautiful Craftsman lawnmower with the deck missing. Super excited that he was able to see the lawnmower when I wanted him to video my car. So he videos me getting in the car. Super happy. I'm sitting in the car and I say, let's roll. And so my car is driving under power, not its own, but it's still moving, right? That's cool. This kid is, towing the lawnmower, or towing the car with a lawnmower. And my kid that's filming doesn't realize I don't care about a Craftsman lawnmower. However, I still think it's funny because my other kid, hey, video the car, stupid. So now he's back to the car. Here we are. Now you see me, the star of the show with my amazing hat. And kids all over it. And look at that smile as I get out of my car. This hunk of junk looking thing is what I love to work on apparently. So I go back and instruct him on standing up and unhooking from the seat. Works so well. Alright, go to the other side. So here he goes, Mr. Speedy Gonzalez. I thought he'd turn through the yard and make a 5-second trip. You ever hand a kid keys to a motorized vehicle, expect them to take the longest route they possibly can. And the cameraman is apparently checking out who's inside the car. Oh, look, I'm happy. I had sugar today. Boing, 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 boing. In Dad's car. Blah, 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 blah. It was kind of boring. So, finally, the kid who drove around, and this cameraman's going crazy, but this kid drove clear around all the way to the neighbor's house and came in forward. You tow from the back, so I need him to back in. So now he pulled all the way around. Now he's in the yard to back up to the car. Cameraman goes in and out like crazy, making it shaky. I apologize, but I still thought maybe you guys would like to see that I do abuse my kids by putting them to work driving lawnmowers and running cameras. Dad, I think I'm going to fall off the curb. I can't go any farther. What's wrong with you? I don't know. I'm going forward. Get back here now. Okay. If I die, it's your fault. Anyways, so I get my kid back there. I thinking this maybe towed around his neck. He stood up though, so I put it on the chair. So here we go. Boom. I'm too happy to get grumpy during this video, even if it's shaky. There's like an earthquake maybe. That's what this is. I tell him, okay, you're going to drive straight. You mean like straight? Yeah, go straight. Like how straight? That way. Okay, I could do straight. So anyway, he gets on the lawnmower, and here we go. Excitement building, excitement building. I would have taken this off of mute. There's a lot of words being said, and actually horrible audio because my kid changes the setting to robot voice and stuff like that. So here we go, pulling forward. You see that smile? That is the smile of a dad, knowing he's got kids next to him, 2 of them. One filming and one towing him around. And the kid in front thinks he's so cool because he gets to tow his dad around. His dad thinks he's cool because he's getting towed in his old cool car. And, yeah, it's a good day. This is a good time. So I think I should share this with the world. So I'm yelling at him, keep going. Really? Yeah, I'm still pointing like go. That's what pointing does as a dad. Like, look, go. A little farther. And a little farther. And apparently I want to be in the video. I want the car. We're working on videography. So I get out of the car, still a smile. Kids all over. Got to go unhook him. I'm now standing in my neighbor's yard. He's not home, I don't think, so we're okay. And here we go. Got to unhook him. Stand him up. Unhook this strap. And I say, all right, meet me to the other side. And where does he go? You'll never guess. Yep, straightforward. Longest route possible in that lawnmower to get some more drive time in, because he is a boy with keys to a motorized vehicle. Meantime, I'm taking the strap off. Then I start rolling up the strap, and then, chicks hanging out of the car with suckers in their mouths. I'm rolling up the strap now. And then, I cut out quite a bit of footage, and you still took forever to get to the other side. So, now here's the lawnmower coming up again. Cameraman so shaky. There's the sidewalk. There's the lawnmower. Look. Still driving a Craftsman. So, hey, how's it going? Dude, I'm driving backwards. Okay. Well, are you driving good? Yeah, look how straight I can drive. I go left and right, and it goes straight, sort of left straight, right straight, left straight, right straight. Anyway, it's fun to watch kids learn how to do stuff. It's hilarious that the cameraman was this bad. But yes. And now I got to hook it up again. I'm in neutral, right? No. Yes. And of course the cameraman runs to the kids in the car because they're making tons of noise and jumping and screaming. And one, I think it has to be close to Halloween because she has a witch dress on or something. But, all right, back to this towing stuff. So here I go. I'm climbing in. We get this car, towing it around. And this may seem like a really long process. Oh, you're welcome. Take a bow. And this may seem like a really long process. But imagine me trying to push this freaking car all by myself. There is no way I could have done it. So here comes my lawnmower driver with a smile as big as they get, towing me across my neighbor's yard, which we'll just scuff it up a little and make it look right. And the lawnmower gets stuck. Just give it some gas. You're good. Dad, I gave it gas. It didn't move. Well, maybe a tub of lard can help. Just get a tub of lard out of the back. I don't know. Give it more gas. Come on. Push it, push it, push it. Dude, the lawnmower's not moving. Okay. Hey, it's moving. Yeah, I know, because there's a big tub of lard pushing. So here I am pushing my car with the lawnmower, which is not what I wanted, but hey, gravel, it's going to bite you a little bit. The alignment's off, a turning car. Lots of things go into trying to move a car around. Hi. So anyway, here goes the cars. That's the rear tire. Look. That's me in the car, and I eventually say I'm stuck to the seat because all the wires are in it. And now I'm pushing against that B-pillar there, and it's moving. Look, apparently he wanted to film the tire moving. So, tire's moving, lawnmower's moving, headed to the sacred backyard entrance. It's called the gate. I don't know, RV gate to the backyard. Look how cool it is. It's all open, and the car rolls. I wish I had video of me unloading the car, but there was way too many bad words to be put on YouTube, I'm sure of it. Jumping and screaming and yanking because the thing did not roll. So anyways, back to the car that does roll, and we got it in the backyard. Look, cameraman celebrating by running and shaking like crazy. I'm sure you love this. So, and what's this in the car? Oh yeah, it's a girl with a sucker in her mouth, giggling because she's in the car and he's outside. Ha ha ha. But anyways, back to moving a car around. We are putting it in the backyard. That's my cameraman. Apparently he just snuck his face in here. All right, back to me again. I'm the star of the show. And got the lawnmower there. I got to stop it before it gets too far, or else the lawnmower is stuck in there. And of course, towing with a strap around a seat is genius until there's my fender and my butt. Two butts together. What do you know? So, the strap gets stuck inside the spring, so I just figured I'll yank it out of there. So, lawnmower's now free. Let's get this thing situated. So, last time in the video, we got the intercooler, we got the radiator, we got all the inner pipes worked, the inner fenders are done. Everything's put together. And what do you do when you get it all put together, right? You take what you have, pray you can remember where it goes, and tear it all apart. So now I got the front fenders off, I got the hood off, I've got a lot of stuff out of the way. And this is just the beginning of the tear down. So I'm going to hook right there, and I'm going to hoist it off of the roof, and I hope I can get it back together is what I'm thinking. So that's where my hoists are going to go, and I'm just going to lift it. Do you think I can do it? I have voice-activated lift system. Are you ready? Here's my voice-activated lift system. That's my one lift there. I yell at him, hey, pull the chain. And then I got another voice activator over here. He's pumping away at the engine hoist. Look at that. The car's coming up off of the frame. Everything seems to be working. The first time it's ever really come off the frame, I bet. That's my bracket that I built. I took like a 2-inch piece of pipe. I welded 2 long bolts on it, shoved them through the body mount bolts. Like I lifted up the car, shoved it through, bolted it together, and then the cherry picker engine hoist there can lift it up. Why do they call it a cherry picker? I have no idea. Let me know if you know. I have no clue, and I don't want to research it. I'm busy doing other stuff. So the car's coming off the frame, and here's my voice activated right here. You can see it. I'm probably using my voice because suddenly it's activated. Chains are being yanked. Kids are on ladders. The other one's going crazy. Looks like he's almost dancing, but the car is being lifted. Look at that. I'm probably yelling things like, up a little faster, because the other kids, see that, jumping in? There you go. Now you can tell that voice activator was defaulted a little bit, maybe a little young and new, so I got an older one who apparently likes to squat while he does it. So now the car's rolling apart, and look at me trying to steer it. Guess what? It doesn't steer. So, Magic Land, I uncover the amazing thing called dead weight that you can't steer it because it's up there. You know, something about 1,200 pounds on no power steering trying to steer it. What a nightmare. The kid that was jacking up the back of the car is now, I believe, dangling from the fence line and jumping around. And the other is just dancing in his American flag shirt. What an amazing feat. This is what it looks like when I employ all my kids who don't want to help me. So I got the floor jack now. I got kids worried about the car falling. I'm nervous because I've never torn a car apart before. But I figured I know how to move a car that's dead weight. I'll put more wheels underneath it that just go in any direction. So I yell at one kid, hey, put this under there. And I say, is it good? Yep, drop it. And then I get to the other side. And I yell at another kid, and I say, let's do this. Get it over there. You know, it's typically how you work with your kids. Hey, get over there and do that. Do this. I'm too fat and lazy. Anyways, that's how I was doing it. I was super excited with how this is going. Everything came apart real easy. And now I just got to get the frame and everything's separated. So, that's the sound everyone makes when they push a car. And I can't lift it, but I could steer it. So now I take the little swirly things back off because I got to use them under the body. So I apparently just dropped my car like crazy. Suspension tests. So I got these pieces out, and you can see why I wanted them back out. There's another video of probably like, oh, hey, nice shoes. Anyways, this is me stressed out trying to load stuff onto the ground and yelling at this voice-activated hoist portion to lower down onto that. And I set a block of wood on the tire jack dollies and set it on the brand new rockers because I knew they were the strongest steel. And then I lowered the back here and look, it's separated. The frame is out. The car is back there. I got so much work to do. I got to still keep stripping this thing down. But man, that looks so cool back there. My lights in the dark. Look at that. I thought about for a moment redoing my floor and dropping it to the ground, but then I remembered there's no way. So I pushed the body out of the way. I got to get this frame back in there because everything needs to come off the frame down to the rails. The frame actually looks pretty good. Kind of happy with how it came out. And yeah, so the frame's now backed in under the shade structure. I got to get that motor and transmission out. I got the drive lines already out. It's time to strip some stuff down and make it all emptied and looking good. So that's my engine hoist operator now over there. And are you ready to go? He's pretty much ready. So let's see if he's good to go. Yep, he was good to go. So now you can see I got my frame stripped down. Everything's getting ready to get farther. The engine's under a tarp on a little stand. My body's over here like a lowrider. And I got to keep working on this thing now. If I go stop, it's So I'm going to order a bunch of parts, tear the frame apart, get everything off of here, and hopefully next video I show you how I do the whole front end, strip down, paint the frame, that kind of stuff. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and hope you enjoyed watching me struggle to work with kids pushing cars around. Super fun. Thanks for watching.